Okay, this is the quick review, similar figures. And so remember, the symbol for similar figures is the tilde. All right, a tilde is the symbol for similar figures. And we have pentagon, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Five-sided pentagon ABCDE is similar to pentagon LMNOP. All right, so they're similar. And we're asked to find x. The easiest way to find x is to make a proportion. I've taught you that the easiest way to make that proportion is put what you're looking for in the top left. So we're going to put x in the top left. Okay, I need the corresponding side from the other figure. So what goes with the x? The 8. And now I got to go, so I went from the big is the top, right? Top is the big and little is the bottom. So I got to go back to big again for the top. This is one way to do it in the way I like to do it. So I have two choices left. I have the 10 and the 5. I see the 10, it goes with the 6, but I don't see anything the 5 goes with, so I've got to use the 10. So 10 big goes with what? 6 little. Okay, there's my proportion. Now all I have to do to finish is move the 8. And mathematically, I could do a shortcut, just bring it top left, or I can do it long ways and multiply both sides by 8, right? Okay, all I got to do is finish by reducing this, and we'll be done. And so what do we end up with? A 40 thirds, right? 40 over 3 is what you get when you reduce that, right? Yep, 40 thirds. Okay, and that's the value of x. You say it's not a whole number. It's okay. It doesn't have to be. What is it? It's something like 40, 10, 13, 13.3. Okay, sounds good. Makes sense to me. All right, let's deal with one other aspect, and that's the aspect of area. Find the area of LMNOP. All right, well, we were given the area of the other pentagon right there. We needed that because we're going to set up our proportion, area divided by area. And again, my top in this one is, because I'm looking for the big one, big over little, right? So this is top is big and bottom is little. Okay, so again, I need a side on the big. Oh, we're going to use 10 again. And a side on the little, we're going to use 6 again, right? Because they correspond. But don't forget this, and this is where students miss area. The area is proportional to the sides squared. So that's 100 over 36. Now, again, I can finish this off by multiplying both sides by 36 over 1. Now notice here the units are squared, not the number. Those divide out. Again, be careful here. For time's sake, I'm going to go a little quick. 10 squared is 100. 6 times 6 is 36. And we can reduce the 36's. So guess what? The area of the other one is 100 meters squared. All right, proportions. Be careful with area. Students forget that the areas are proportional to the square of the sides, meaning the sides get squared. Okay, there you go. That's